Hello friends, welcome to the channel Discover Apps with me. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how can you fix the problem of your messenger not working. So the first thing for of this problem, you have to check that you have a strong internet connection or you have an internet connection either on the mobile phone or by the Wi-Fi. So you have to make sure that you have a strong internet connection. And the second thing, you have to check the updated version of messenger. You have to open the play store if you are using Android mobile phone, and on the iPhone you can go to the app store, and there you have to type messenger, and there you can see I have got the option of update. So I have to update the messenger first. So if you update the messenger but still you are not be able to use your messenger, so the third and the last thing, you have to come back and open your mobile settings and go to the app management if you are using an Android mobile phone. There you can see the app settings, click on it. It will give you all the list of the app on your mobile phone. So from there you have to go to the messenger settings, and there you can see the option of storage and cache. Click on it, and on the right bottom you can see the option of clear cache. So just clear the cache, and I hope after these three measures you will be able to fix your messenger not working and will be able again to use your messenger. So I hope you can understand my explanation, but still if you have any doubt, please mention in the comments, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.